All right, guys, so you've seen me run this car, so now I'm going to go ahead and take it for a spin. I've never driven a car with a cam in it, so this is going to be very interesting for me to kind of see how it is. So thank you so much for letting me drive. Let's go ahead and take her for a rip, see how she is. All right. Seatbelt on. You do sit a little lower than me. Let me lock my car up for safety. There we go. Man, it's a hot day. Yeah. Oh, it sounds so much different on startup than my car. All right.
So with the cam, you always want to let it like
get started.
Get started for at least not too long, like 20 seconds or so.
Okay, just
if you just put it on drive, it starts lobing like hard.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So,
oh my, that sounds so sick.
Yeah. So
I love the sound.
You just start it up, it just starts lobing hard. Same thing like when you turn it off. Just let it chill for like 10 seconds or so. It's not even that much of a time, but just let it chill and then you turn it off.
So now is it gonna drop? Like I know it's idling at 1,000 RPM right now. Is it gonna drop below that, or is it gonna stay right there? Stay right there. Can I rev it?
Yeah, go ahead. I have the valve is closed right now.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open them up. Oh, that's cool.
So you just press this.
Oh, there we go. Okay, that's what I want to hear.
Just chill out there. I think that's the top right there.
Wow, that sounds sick. That's a very cool little feature you have.
It's helped me out a ton too. Like, yeah, I mean, it's still pretty loud with the valves closed, but yeah, it does like put in a difference. Like,
yeah, that sounds amazing, and that valve really works very well. You're like me, you don't have tire sensors in the back, huh?
Yeah, I don't have tire sensors in the back, so I gotta it does get annoying, but
you just get used to it.
Like
yeah.
Like,
it's not crucial, yeah.
It's not crucial or anything like that. Like when I know I'm gonna go like for a long run or whatever, I check my tire pressure before.
Dude, I love the way this car feels because of the cam. Like just the noise, it really sounds like a true muscle car. That little like vibration that you feel. It's like an old school muscle feel.
It feels good. Like I have no complaints. It feels really good.
No, I see the appeal of getting a cam. This thing feels amazing.
I've got the cam. I would say I got 16K miles.
16,000, and now you're at 38.
38. So it's been good
amount of miles.
Yeah, amount of miles.
No problems.
No problems. No issues.
And you daily drive it, or you did for a while?
I used to daily drive it for a while. Yeah.
All right. Do you mind if I?
The cam, like I would daily drive it.
Do you mind if I give it a little gas? Just feel it out. All right. Is there a different mode we can put it in? Or is it
sport mode? This one just has sport. Yeah.
Okay, there you go. The engine sounds completely different, and I'm sure that has a lot to do with the long tube headers as well, right?
Well, I heard that that's like a supporting model for the cam too, the long tube.
Yeah.
They're still telling me like take off the cats, so it'll make it way better,
more loud and stuff.
More louder and everything, but you know, with all this
with the laws and stuff, yeah, you don't want to go that far. You know, without the cats, it's going to be extremely loud.
Yeah, definitely. And all the digs is pretty good too. So
I can hear your burbles. Yeah, this thing feels insane. Wow, guys, I really like the cam. The whole car is vibrating. This is so cool.
Alright, I'll send someone over there.
And the noise is the best part of it all. Alright, let's give it a little bit of gas, see how she is. My goodness, that feels really nice. It almost sounds like a different car completely. Yeah, like it doesn't sound anything like a oh well, we just got passed by some police there. Hopefully they don't turn around. But yeah, it sounds like a completely different car, but I like the noise. It's like, it's very I don't know, it just like feels old school, like raw power. Whoa, lady, slow down. some setup. So now if we close the valves, it gets a lot quieter?
Yeah, it gets a lot quieter.
All right,
So it's A to close and B to open.
So A to close? Wow. Oh my God, that's huge. It sounds almost stock.
Yeah. And then, well, sometimes like when I have them closed and I'm driving it, like whatever, people are stuck on the bell, it sounds nice and loud.
Yeah.
I open it up.
And then, okay, that's what it really sounds like.
You can feel like when you have it closed, you can feel like it's restrained, like it's missing power. Like,
it's not, it's not flowing as well.
Yeah, it's not flowing as well. So when you have them open, you just like you can even feel it on your feet. Like, I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain.
Let me open it back up again. Wow, look at that difference, man. I love that. So how much does that a mod like that cost to do?
To do the open and close thing, it costs me 600.
600. Yeah. That's not bad at all.
No, I don't.
And it keeps
like for right now how heated it is right now. You know. It's something.
It'll keep you out of trouble.
Yeah, it can keep me out of trouble, and also like putting it in and leaving it for my house in the morning because I get up really early.
Yeah.
5 in the morning. You know, it helps with the noise a little bit.
Gotcha. Yeah, no, it sounds really good and it's very effective, which I did not expect. Alright guys, so that was my first ever ride in a cammed Scatpack.
Alright, for sure.
And this thing feels absolutely amazing.
That's the reason why we're at.
Like it has its trunk open. Crazy. Well, thank you. Yeah.
Take it off on the dig.
Take it off on the dig?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll give it one shot. Does it hook?
It hooks. It hooks. So
right off the dig. It just
right off the dig. Just take off traction control and just.
Alright, we'll go somewhere and we'll set it up real quick and try it out. That'll be cool to test it out from a dig. Because my car hooks if my tires are, if I drop the pressure and I do like a nice burnout, then it'll hook. But if not, it'll usually end up spinning.
You get it. You might get a little bit spin, but it's not as big. Like you get constant low fours. All your 0 to 60s are always low fours.
Low fours. Yeah. All right, that's great. Are we still in sport mode? I have the little flag up there.
Yeah, does it have the flag?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I'm gonna try out the taser so I can see if, like, you know, the shifting points. You know how it comes out with the SRT pages, and you can
you can change it up after that
and see how it does. Like
I love the noise, dude. I'm addicted. I wish my car sounded like this. This is what like a muscle car should sound like, with the cam and like the vibrations. So it doesn't just look like a muscle car, but actually like performs like one. You know, it sounds like one. Everything. And this is gonna be crazy once we put some boost on it. Wow.
Yeah. Once we boost this shit up.
Oh my God, you're gonna be flying everywhere. All right, I'll make a U-turn here. Even though it says no U-turn, or maybe I'll go down that road real quick. That's crazy. It's funny when you're holding the brake, you can feel it like lobing a little, like it wants to move.
Yeah. And also, like if you have it on sport mode and you're going like really slow, like, it feels like it wants to go. It
starts jerking a little bit. Should I just do it here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
You turn off your traction.
Okay.
For you.
Okay. Yeah. Woo! Damn, that was no wheel spin at all. Yeah, you would destroy me from a dig.
From the dig, I'm confident with it.
Yeah. That is crazy, man. Now, do you hold the brake and you do it when you're dig racing, or you just smack it?
I just smack it.
You just smack it and go.
I've always wanted to mess with this, but I never really like got into like fucking with it.
Yeah.
I've just smacked it from dead stops. Just smack it in.
All right, let's see. I want to hold the brake a little bit. Let's see. Just build up a little. Damn. I've never been in a Challenger that doesn't lose traction. This might be the first one that actually hooks like perfect.
Yeah, I think with the power and those wheels, it works just well, man.
Yeah, it's a perfect combination.
Any more power, I just need different setup.
Yeah, you have to change it.
It's like the perfect setup right now. Like it doesn't spin.
Yeah, no, it hooks really well. I do notice that the shifting is very different though.
Yeah, the shifting is different.
Yeah, shifting is way different. Mine shifts, it feels like more precise and a little like more firm. This one, every time it shifts, it jumps a little bit, which I'm not used to. So that might be the reason that today, and when we ran the cars, it didn't run with the SRT like right there. It's just the shifting. But I think you're making more power though. Just your shifting is off.
I should be making a little bit more power.
Yeah. Well, thanks a lot for letting me drive it, man. This car is beautiful and very nicely well done. It's just, the cam is just crazy. You got me wanting to put a cam in the SRT. That would be insane. Look at it. It's like moving us back and forth.
By itself, yeah.
And what is the cost of getting a cam, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, it's kind of hard to, because I got it with the engine forged at the same time. Like all together, it costed me $6,500.
$6,500.
To forge the engine and to do the cam.
That's not bad.
So
you have a bulletproof engine at this point.
Yeah, I have the rods and everything is like
ready to go.
Yeah, ready to go for boost and everything.
Gotcha. That's pretty cool. And you have a cam in there. So cam produces more power once you add boost, or is it depending on the cam?
Because there's different cams. There's cams for if you want to just be naturally aspirated, and those you can actually hear them low pretty hard. Like I don't know if you've seen.
Yeah, I've seen some videos. Yeah,
they move pretty hard. Those are just for naturally aspirated. I got this one because it doesn't have a lot of power, but because in the future it's ready for the boost too. So
gotcha. Okay, so
this cam is ready for boost.
For boost.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a boost kind of tailored for boost.
Yeah.
That's
so
the end result.
It's a custom grain, so it's ready for me to pop on the boost.
Was I supposed to turn it off right there, or was I supposed to let it?
Let it wait a little bit.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just so used to it. I hope I didn't break your car. No? Where's my keys? Well, thank you so much for letting me drive, man. This car is awesome. I'm gonna show you guys it from the outside. I dropped my phone because we did that little pull. Okay, here it is. Nice. Okay, so there's the car. This thing is pretty sweet, man. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little drive along, or ride along I guess. We got to check out this 2016 Scatpack that's got a cam in it. Very, very nice. It was very fun to drive. And definitely much different than my SRT. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And we'll catch you in the next one. Rush Shift signing out. Peace.